section.
So we're going to split our coil here. We have the front part of our bundle all together. So I know I want about 4 bites at the top of the steps here. So I'm going to tuck that set to the side. I'm going to need about 1 bite to travel up the stairs. So I'm going to isolate that here in the middle. Then I have what's left. We're going to make a small coil down at the bottom of the stairs. Use our normal manner. Spread wide. And lay this in here as best we can. So now we're left with the rest of our bundle. And I'm going to grab bites I'm taking up to the top and put them back on my shoulder. I left my one on the ground to help me travel up the stairs. As I get to the top, I'm going to turn, crank my hose. We're going to deploy our coil here, tucking the nozzle. So we've used the space as best we can. We have our coil at the top of the stairs here. Our nozzle's going to come free. I just take a quick look to make sure we're saving time, make sure it's efficient. It's going to deploy smoothly. We should have enough hose here, about 50 feet, to get to where we need to in this building. If not, we still have more hose at the bottom of the stairs that can easily be drug up. Okay, so just to follow our hose down, just so we see what we have. Here's our coil at the top of the stairs. We just took the top 3 or 4 bites, however much we needed, and took it up with us. This is the middle flake, the middle bite that we saved at the beginning to travel up the stairs. And here's what's left over. We took those 2 bites at the top of our bundle and made a coil down up the stairs here, just so we're working with less up there and it's more efficient. Outside the building is the rest of our hose. As I approached, I took a couple flakes off my shoulders since I knew I wasn't going to need all that at the top, and gave us more space inside the building. When I'm deciding how much hose to put on my shoulder and take up with me, I know that each bite is approximately 15 feet of hose. So in this scenario, I want about 50 feet up at my front door. So I know I have 15 feet here, 15 feet, 15 feet. 15 times 3 is 45. That's these first 3 bites. Plus I have a little extra with the hose leading up to our nozzle. So I know this right here, these 3 bites plus our nozzle, is what I'm going to take up on my shoulder to the front door. Now obviously I'm going to need some hose to travel up the stairs. So I'm going to take this middle bite right here and separate it out as our traveling hose. The remainder is what we're going to make a coil on the ground with. So I separate these 3 and I begin my coil using these 3 bites right here, leaving that at ground level, then putting this bottom section with our approximately 50 feet back on my shoulder and advancing up the stairs.